2.2 The House Builder. 2.2 The House Builder. Warming up, chit chat, make groups and discuss the following. 1. What is retirement from occupation? Answer. Retirement from occupation is to stop doing the work which a person had been doing from a long time. Question number 2. When do people retire? Answer. People retire when they feel they do not want to work anymore. Question number 3. For what reasons do people have to retire from their occupation? Answer. The people have to retire from their occupation because they reach the specific age of retirement. Question number 4. How do people spend their time after retirement? Answer. After retirement, some people spend their time in social service. Some get busy in their hobby. 1. Discuss and match the professionals involved in constructions with the work they do. A. B. 1. Architect. D. Plans and designs structure. 2. Engineer. E. Ensures structure will be strong and stable. 3. Building contractor. G. Supervises construction employees, workers, professionals, etc. 4. Carpenter. A. Makes wooden framework of doors, windows, etc. 5. Mason. F. Builds walls, roofs, etc. and plasters. 6. Tiler. C. Does the flooring. 7. Interior decorator. B. Beautifies the inside of a home. 2a. Word can be broken up into units of pronunciation, each having one vowel sound, with or without consonant sound around it. Each such unit is called a syllable. For example, to, got, will, see, etc. have just one syllable. Father, mason, builder have two syllables. Engineer, carpenter, construction, etc. have three syllables. Write down name of any five of your classmates and break them up into syllables. Write down the number of syllables in each of their names. English workshop. 1. Find from the story the noun form of the following. 1. Dedicate, dedication. 2. Measure, measurement. 3. Decide, decision. 4. Perfect, perfection. 5. Own, honor. 6. Give, gift. 7. Responsible, responsibility. 8. Persist, persistence. 2. Choose the proper phrase, expression to complete the sentences meaningfully. 1. She does her job with full dedication. 2. One should make up one's mind to help other when needed. 3. As Mr. Jadhav was transferred to Chennai, he had to hand over his responsibilities to his assistant. Number 4. The labor's income was not sufficient to meet the needs of his family. Number 5. Because of a fault in the wiring, they will have to send for an electrician. Number 6. Mother tried hard to change her son's habit but to no avail. Number 7. Mangoes from Ratnagiri was always in great demand. Number 3. Read the story and answer in your word. A. The owners of the new houses built by the mason would be extremely pleased. Why? The owners of the new houses built by the mason would be extremely pleased because of the quality construction with an excellent and appealing finish. B. The contractor compensated for the mason's good work. How? The contractor recompensated the mason by paying him handsome salary. C. The mason made a firm decision to retire when the mason continued to work till he became a grandfather. Question number 4. Read the following words from the story aloud and fill them in the proper column. Story, work, perfection, architect, live, building, full, door, way, quality, responsibility, measurement, great, many, avail, excellent, material, complete, sufficiently, ready, documents, broad, happy, ownership, subsequently. One syllabic, two syllabic, three syllabic, more than three syllabic. One syllabic, work, leave, full, way, great, broad, door. Two syllabic, story, many, complete, ready, happy, building, well. Three syllabic, perfection, architect, quality, excellent, material, documents, ownership. More than three syllabic, responsibility, measurement, sufficiently, subsequently. Question number 5a. Words that have the same sound pronunciation but differ in spellings and meanings are called homophones. For example, hair, hair. Pick out from the lesson homophones of the following words. 1. Waste, waste. 2. New, new. 3. Loss, lose. 4. Mad, mad. 5. Great, great. 6. 1, 1. 7. Sight, sight. 8. Week, week. 9. Wood, wood. 10. See, see. B. Select any three pairs of homophones from above and make simple sentences of your own to show the difference in their meanings. 1. 1. The children were thrilled to see various animals in the zoo. 2. Sea. Sea holds many mysteries in it. 2. 1. Wood. We required wood to make furniture from. 2. Would. Would you please close the door? 3. 1. Fool. Only a fool will believe your story. 2. Full. The glass is full of milk. 6. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. Write a paragraph on the above topic with an interesting example of the same.